Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. And honey, your girl is here with another requested video. Oven baked barbecue jerk chicken in my kitchen in no time. If you're here watching me cooking for your very first time, be sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already, do so. Then turn on your post notification settings so that you will never miss another recipe. Let's get right into it.
Remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, goodie, you ready for cook? Let's cook. Now I have 6 legs and thighs right here. We're doing skin on. What I did was put slits into the chicken, let it soak into vinegar liquid for about 30 to 45 minutes. It is going to do something really unique to the chicken, so just let it go ahead and soak up into that chicken. Now let's season up the thing. Now to get started, you want to go in with your salt first, and all the amount, everything that I'm using will be listed down below. Okay, I got you there. Now you want to go in and add some black pepper. We're going to make this thing nice and mellow, clean and mellow. Then you go in and add some onion powder to it, and as a combination of the onion powder, you want to go in and add your garlic powder to the mix as well. Now to give it tons of flavor, because we are cooking chicken, we're going to go in with the chicken seasoning. If you have all-purpose seasoning or poultry seasoning, go ahead and use that. You just want to make sure that your chicken has flavor. Then I went in with some browning, and you could make your browning from scratch if you like. Now we're doing barbecue chicken here, jerk, so I did go in with my Jim Beam. That's what I have in the house. I use this for my vegan recipes all the time. Whatever you have at hand, go ahead and just put it all up in there. And once again, all the amount for everything that I'm doing here will be listed down below. I did go in with some garlic, fresh garlic, and this here is the jerk season that I made that recipe a couple of days ago. I am going to insert a link down in the description box to show you how to make homemade jerk seasoning in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple, and tasting good, full of flavor, just for about anything that you are making on the grill or in the oven. This right here is the way to go. All right, so I got you there. Now I just went in and added that to my chicken, and I think I added about 1/3 cup of the jerk season to it. You want to make sure that your hands are clean, or you want to put your gloves on like I'm doing here. Give it a good rub in and a good mix. And I did allow this to sit and marinate for about an hour. Now, if you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that your notification is on. You don't want to miss any of the uploads. Check them as often as you can, because YouTube will turn your notification off without you even knowing. Yes, you are subscribed, but your notifications are in fact off. So go ahead and check them so you don't miss any of these great uploads. All right, you don't want to miss it. Moving right along, it's time to bake. Now what I'm doing here, I'm going to cook this thing as if I was going to put it on the grill outside. So I have a little grill here that I use for my oven. If you do this step, goodie, you're going to have the most perfect tasting jerk chicken even in your oven baked every time. If you follow this method, it's going to be even better than if you put it on the grill. Okay, so make sure that your oven is preheated. Of course, your oven needs to be at 400 degrees before you pop this in your oven. Now if you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that you go over there and subscribe to my second channel, Life with Juliana. The link for that channel will also be listed down below. Now that gravy and that good up marinade right there, you want to set it aside. We are in fact going to use that later on to complete the recipe, so don't throw it over needed. Now let's go ahead and just pop that in the oven at 400 degrees preheated, and we are good to go. Good to go. Okay, goodie. After 30 minutes, because you want to let this sit in that oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you come back. That is exactly what your chicken is going to look like. Your barbecue jerk chicken is going to look like. Perfect. You just want to go ahead and just remove it from the rack. All right? Just go ahead and remove it and let it sit and chill and wait. In that container is all the natural juices from your chicken. We are going to use that as a combination with the marinade that was in the chicken, right? Just go ahead and just throw it on up in there. And all you are going to do here is give it a really, really good mix. Now, at this step, you're going to turn your oven down to 325 degrees in heat. Be sure that you do that. Now, goodie, right here is where you turn your oven to 325 degrees. The entire time it's uncovered, but you want to go ahead and turn that oven to 325 degrees right here, okay? Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to get that chicken and place it back on the grill. Just like so, just place it back on that, and we're going to get the good juices and the marinade and all them things that all over that chicken, honey. Get it all over that chicken because it is critical. Right here is critical because the more flavor you add to the chicken at the very last step, that 30 minutes cooking time, is where you're going to have the best flavor on your barbecue jerk chicken in the grill, on the grill, right? You want it to taste just like you did if you had put it outside on the grill, okay? So make sure so you follow this step really, really, really carefully. Now, before you place it in the oven, your barbecue sauce of your choice, just go ahead and just lay it all up on that chicken. It's going to give it massive amount of flavor, and it's going to do something to the outer part of the skin of the chicken. So just go ahead, pop it in your oven for another 30 minutes at 325 degrees, and you are good to go. Good to go. Now, after that 30 minutes, that is what you are going to have. You're going to have the most beautiful color, texture, flavor of your barbecue jerk chicken. It's immaculate, honey. It's all spilled up the whole place. The thing is turned all the way up. It is going to be nice and crispy and munchy, but listen, what I love to do before I serve it up is sprinkle my little parsley and something upon it. Now, if I'm going to serve it up like this, where everybody just pick out them chicken, you want to go ahead and do it this way, right? Just make them just, yeah, pretty real talk about goodie. Now, if you don't want to do that, just put it on a plate and serve it up. But I did have some cabbage and the sausage and stuff like that I had made for the prior video. I had did a mukbang video a couple of days ago, and I did have the sausage and cabbage into that oxtail and rice and peas thing. I'm going to list that, put a link down below to show you that mukbang. But yeah, I did. If you want to see me cook this too in another video, just say cabbage and sausage recipe and I will make this for you, right? This is fried cabbage and sausage. And I would make that recipe for you, but it was fast, easy, and simple to my heart. I just had to show you this, guys. It was so good, so good. Alright, the link for this will be down below. Okay, and I also did have some rice and peas with this as well. I really did cook some rice and peas with the recipe, but I didn't show you guys because a lot of you guys complained, so I don't like pigtail, and this one was made with pigtail, and because the girl don't want to hear it right now, I didn't put it on camera, but I am going to list a link down below to show you how to make rice and peas with pigtail in it. So check down below, everything will be down there. Alright, I think I got everything all covered, but anyway, honey, this is what I had when I was done. My rice and peas and my barbecue jerk chicken and some cabbage and sausage, a little bit of tomatoes and all of that good stuff. It's just go ahead and just plate it up. And like I said before, if you don't want to plate it up, just go ahead and just throw it on the table just like that. Serve it up with some little bit of parsley. Let's make everybody serve themselves. But yeah, it was good. It was good overall. It was good. Now, Also, goodie, you might have noticed that I had to take the video down, so I had to re-edit the video and re-uploaded the video. So sorry for all the inconvenience, but you know the YouTube rules and policies and stuff. We have to go by all of that stuff. So I'm just glad that you guys are hanging there with me. Okay, thank you guys so much. Now that that's out the way, I hope you really did enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel, give your girl a big old thumbs up, and share the love with friends and family, the neighbor down the street, the man around the road, everybody around the corner. Go ahead and spread the love. Tell them what's going on up over here. Tell them what's cracking. After you done do that, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.